Ako ang magpakulong. Just do your work. Wag niyo akong intindihin. But I will protect you. I will not allow a single policeman doing his duty going to prison. Hindi mangyari yan. Yan ang may problema tayo. So pag nawala ako, kasi kung gusto niyo talaga tapusin natin ito, it has to be during my time. Because somebody is there to protect you. Hindi ako papayag na makulong ka kung mamatay-matay ka ng walang dahilan. Not also for the military na sumali na sa bakbakan. Walang makukulong sa iyo. My orders are very simple. That this country must see to it that the next generation is protected. Because if we don't interdict this evil of drugs, ang mga anak natin, ang mga apo natin, reckon from where I stand now, kawawa sa droga.